Chime.
Hey, what's up y'all? So I wanted to bring y'all this quick video on my ultimate moisturizer for my skin and for my hair. I've been using it for years, and then sometimes I'll like kind of get away from it and then always come back to it. My hair right now, it's been raining all day, so this was a braid out. I had like 2 braids here and 1 right here, kind of like bow wow. So it's really not quite as moisturized and like lovely as it was this morning. Okay, so that's my nephew taking a shower if y'all hear that. But yeah, this is the ultimate moisturizer for your hair, and I had to share it just because it's a good base. I actually apply this to my hair before I do the lock method. Well, I actually do the L.C.O method. I use a liquid cream, then an oil, and it just works amazingly on my hair. Nothing keeps my hair moisturized like this, and when I don't use this first, I definitely feel like a difference in my hair. And if your hair's dry all the time and you just don't know what to do, I would definitely suggest trying this. So basically I use 30% vegetable glycerin. If you don't know about vegetable glycerin, I'm gonna tell you a little bit about it. It's water soluble, which basically means that it can mix with water. You know how they say water and oil don't mix? Well, this actually mixes with the water. It actually attracts water to your hair and to your strands. It attracts the molecules to the inside of your strand, and that's what you need, water, to get moisture. So that's why I love this. Nothing works like this. I can't stress it enough. If you've never used it, then you definitely have to try this. I fill my spray bottle with about 30% of the vegetable glycerin first. I add, it's kind of greasy, because I use a lot of olive oil. And then I use aloe vera juice. Now, aloe vera juice is amazing for your hair. Aloe vera itself is a natural conditioner, and it is a natural moisturizer. So you can get it in the form of a gel or in the form of a juice. And I like to actually get the juice. A lot of people drink this for health reasons as well, but they're both amazing for bringing moisture to your hair. And I fill the rest of the spray bottle with water, and it's amazing. I just spritz it on the strand. You know, I work in sections with my hair, and I spray it on the section first, and then I apply my liquid based leave-in conditioner, then the cream, and then the oil to my hair. I definitely notice a difference in my hair when I don't use it. It's not as soft, it gets dry faster. Of course, I concentrate on my ends, and nothing works for my hair like this. So I definitely suggest that you try it. It's a DIY product. I wish they sold it, but I mean, it's so easy to do. It's just 3 ingredients, 1 being water, and I don't use like special water, bottled water, even though that might be a good idea just because there's so much crap put in, you know, regular sink water, you know. And I also use it for my skin, and when I prepare like the little bottle that I actually use to apply to my skin, I just have like a little bottle, like a little travel sized bottle. This lasts a really long time, and I just pour it in my hands and apply it to my skin. Nothing fancy. You could spray it on your face, but I don't know, like having like spraying it on my face, a lot of people like that, like sprays and stuff when they do their makeup, but I don't know, I just don't like the water hitting my face like that, or any kind of product like squirting in my face like that. So I just like to pour it in my hand and then just rub it on my face. The aloe vera, the vegetable glycerin, and the water is just like moisture on moisture on moisture. It's perfect for your hair, especially when it's super dry. Appreciate you guys for watching. Make sure you leave any questions in the comments below.